In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my version of a delicious vegetarian Mediterranean dish using black-eyed beans, courgettes, spinach, kale and onions. I'm using 200 grams of dried black-eyed beans that are readily available in most supermarkets, 50 grams spinach, 50 grams of kale with all stalks removed, 1 medium-sized courgette, 1 onion, 1 lemon, olive oil. And these amounts easily make 2 good-sized portions. So before you start cooking, pre-soak your beans in hot water for about 2 hours. Once the pre-soaking has finished, give them a good rinse, place them back into the pan, cover with water and bring to boil. Then simmer them for 45 minutes or thereabouts. Midway through the cooking, skim the top to get rid of any scum that has formed. Chop your courgettes, set aside for later usage. Your portions to be bite-sized. Drain your beans through a colander. Check that they are soft but still have a bite to them. Pour fresh hot water into the pan, just covering the beans. Then add the chopped courgettes, the trimmed kale and the fresh spinach and bring the mixture back to boil. Then turn down the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes until all ingredients are cooked through. Chop your onion into small slices or use chopped spring onions as an alternative. Use a colander to drain off the liquid and then serve into individual bowls. Once served up, sprinkle with chopped onions and mix in. Use extra virgin olive oil if you can and pour to taste. And add lemon juice and then season well with salt and pepper. Enjoy your meal with a nice slice of crusty bread. Bon appétit!